30.
Classic strip is 5 of the classic strips that ever came out, all in one. So this is 5 different strips that we play, all put into one strip. Either or at the top, a line. This is an odd number blackout. A line.
40.
And either or. Okay. It's 5 different games in one. I like to organize mine from the top, B-I-N-G's and O's, going that way. Makes it easier. Okay, I like to go across the top, down the bottom, and then do the lines. So I'm gonna go across the top, and I know my O's are over here, down the bottom, and then the lines.
2.
2, across the top, down the bottom, and then the lines. Across the top, down the bottom,
56.
and then the lines.
8. 21. 17. 12.
A stack, please. Thank you. 8.
6.
Gracias. 65 across the top. Down the bottom.
65.
Middle square is an odd number blackout. It's not a line. It's a blackout. When you put your top
48.
When you put these numbers at the top in order by B-I-N-G-O, it's easier because you know where to look.
31. 7. 37. 57. 61. 58. 59. $67. $52. $15. Thank you, last one. $19. After verification of this game, we'll go and play your Lucky Cat. $51.
Crystal needs Crystal set. What did she just call it?
$28. $38. $14. $43. $35.
Do my heart.
63.
Bingo!
Other cards, couple possible bingos.
Would you have had it on 62? Also? No, just 64. Okay, I hope I marked it right, though. Let's just. Dude, I hope I marked it right. Crystal, I hope I marked it right. Crystal, I hope I marked it right.
She said she hopes she marked it
I
right.
hope I marked it right. Let's just not celebrate till we see.
Yes. No, that's not yours.
Top, got one bingo in the
No, it's
second.
not. No, yours has 63.
Black out in the third. Bingo in the
62.
fourth.
No, 63 is the last number.
No, 62 is the next
Black out in the bottom.
Oh, I
That
thought
is one
you
bingo.
said the last number?
Verifying another.
63.
Did you sleep it?
Two more. Okay, let's just make sure Crystal's is right. Let's just make sure.
Let's see, black out the top. Bingo,
I
black
got
out,
it. Crystal got it.
bingo, and black out. That's the second bingo. Any others? Seeing here, no others? We'll close this game to 2 lucky winners. Those who have Lucky Cat, go get those out. We're going to play those next.
Okay, that's how you play. That's how you play and win. Classic strip. That's how you play and win. I played it for Crystal. She had too many cards, so I played her cards. But that's how you play classic strip. It's 5 different games in one. On this one, I needed 9 and 55 for
All
the
right, once
blackout.
again, Lucky Cat, ending in 9-2.